G'day guys, Rod from Origin Campers here. I've got a long range V3 sitting in front of me. This is a brand new one. This is the first V3 we've done in white. So quite an interesting looking trailer, I think. It's certainly makes everything stand out, the guards and the windows and the doors and the camo. It's a very cool trailer. I like it a lot. Still divided on the black or the white though. I don't know which one to go for myself, but nonetheless white does look very cool, very clean looking. We'll have a look around and see what we've got. A few new things. Let's have a look down at the hitch. We're running a DO35 hitch now. Awesome hitch. Very strong hitch, very popular hitch, the DO35. Great bit of gear. A stone guard storage bag setup. Once again, lightweight shower tent, toilet tent in these bags on the side. No heavy items in there. We'll have a little quick look in here. There's a few things there. We've got the hubs in there for the hub covers. We're going to put them on later. That's our storage box. We'll have a look in the battery box. Under all these locks. In our battery box. Running a 170 lithium. That's a decent battery for this trailer. It certainly will run everything very nicely. And we've got our Victron charger. They're a great charger, those ones. Connect them up to your phone so you know exactly what's going on. Let's have a quick look inside. We have the mattress sitting on the floor there. Got cupboards up the back there, as usual. Got a few hooks, air vents. The windows have the pull down blinds and vents on them. Sorry, screens. We've got a new ceiling fan. This is a 3-speed out and a 2-speed in. So we managed to get a hold of them now that look really cool. Nice setup. Usual plenty of storage up the front, USB, drink holders, and our doors that have the security screen on them, they split so that you can have the screen open and the airflow in. Double glazed on these as well. Helps keep the sound out and the heat and coolness from inside to outside the way it should be. We've got our vents. Also running new on our trailers at the moment, these touch LED lights. We put 4 on our trailer on the externals, 1 above the door and 1 above the sort of back end of the kitchen area, side of the trailer. They're amber, or they come in, well, they amber or white, I should say. Let's have a look at this. Excuse me for sniffing. We've got our storage box here. This is our front storage boot. Now in the front storage boot, that's 1 metre long, so we'll take chairs, fold it up and put it in there, and those fold up side tables. We also have a light in here. A great little setup in there. It's all wipeable too. Let's have a look in this one. This is our fridge storage area. Now, I'm sure you people who've seen these videos before on our trailers know that we insulate the doors and we also insulate the wall, front wall, and the ceiling, especially the ceiling. And we do put carpet up here as well. That helps to stop stuff sliding around when you tie it down. but also helps with the insulation because it's a pretty thick carpet up there, and it's a good marine carpet. With our fridge slide, comes all the way out. Only pulled a little bit out there, and we'll have a look. We've got an Anderson plug set up there. Now, I've had some people say, what's this strap for down here? That strap, that holds the bottom of the door down and in. So it rests on this little clip here, and a little lug. Stops that door vibrating up and down when you hit in those corrugations. Stone guard storage bag from this side. Great piece of gear that. Heavy duty 400 kg jockey wheel. Plenty strong enough for this trailer. And again, we've got our gutter system. Always put our gutter systems on these trailers. Helps control that water. Our customer here has asked for a 4-bar roof rack system. They're putting a rooftop tent up there. So we've got all the bar work up there for them. Our rear rain deflector, stop rain coming in the back door. Our bottle opener, it's an important bit of gear, that one. And a hand pump. Hand pump's great for when you pull up at the side of the road and you just need a bit of water. You don't want to open doors and turn taps on or electric on. You can just walk up that pumper up and down and you get water. Very quick and easy. This trailer is running 3 tanks, one connected to the hand pump and 2 connected to the electric pump on the other side of the trailer, and of course they're totally separate, so that you run out of water in the electric or the hand pump, you should still have some water there. We'll just pop underneath here, have a little bit of a look. All the plumbing on the left hand side. Some big D-shackles. They are super heavy duty D-shackles with heavy duty fish plates. They're super strong ones, those ones, as strong as you can get. No doubt about that. And our water filler system, we've got tank 1, tank 2 and 3. All you have to do is connect the hose up to it, open the valve and turn it on, a nice steady flow of water. And it fills up and it'll come out the overflow. That's when you know your tank's full. So let's have a little look in the kitchen. Now, this having the flat rear end has a deeper kitchen in the height, I should say. So having the lower, this drop down here instead of being up here, obviously you get more room. So we can fit bigger tubs in, you get more storage space. And our classical side tables, customers requested them, so we've put them in. They're a great little unit, those. Storage. A little bit of carpet down there, that just stops things sliding around in the cupboard. So this one, same thing, back of the water shower setup, cold water system. That's just around here. You open that up and you got the shower tap. Voltmeter and 12 volt power. We've got our fuse system up the back. We give them, the customers, some tubs up here so they don't have to go looking for tubs to fit, and a little wash basin. Fire extinguisher, and this one here, this LED light here, that one there is a dimmable one, so you can touch it and it will go down in intensity or up in intensity, and it's also amber. So once they're on, they're a fantastic little thing, those. I haven't got the power on the moment, so You just have to take my word for that. So, yep, Origin Campers, long range V3, brand new white one. I have the black one, you've probably seen that one on a few of our videos. Unfortunately, I can't take this out in the dirt and give it a bit of a hard time. I'd love to, but it is someone else's trailer. I hope you like the look of it, guys, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.